Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. We need one of the ultimate summer cocktails, the Whiskey Smash. Now the Whiskey Smash has a very famous relative, the mint julep. And the father of modern bartending, Jerry Thomas, once described it as a julep on the small plan. The first time we see mention of a julep is in the 1830s and 1840s. So a smash traditionally is just sugar, liquor, mint, served over ice. Typically crushed ice, to make it extra cold. Now while the Smash's older cousin, and I mean much older, the julep dates back hundreds of years compared to the Smash. And the word smash is literally derived from muddling or smashing all of your ingredients together. Well, once citrus, specifically lemon, became more prevalent throughout the United States, it became mint, lemon, whiskey, sugar, water. Enough history about the cocktail, let's get to the ingredients. Now for our Whiskey Smash today, I'm going to be going in a slightly different route than the classic, adding in a little bit of science. So I already bagged it up, but right here, this is part of our Whiskey Smash. We have 300 grams of fresh pineapple, 300 grams of rye, and for our whiskey, I'm going to be using Brothers Bond Rye from Paul Wesley and Ian Somerhalder, famous from Vampire Diaries. And last but not least, I actually put the sugar in with it, 50 grams of brown sugar. So I vacuum seal this, I'm going to drop it into my sous vide at 50 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then cool it, pull it out, strain it, and we can make our cocktail. And we'll be using some beautiful fresh lemons. These came off my tree not that long ago. And instead of mint, I'm using something in the mint family. This is lemon balm. Lemon balm is a perennial in the mint family that is incredibly invasive. So if you want to grow this, I suggest putting it into a pot. If you rub it between your fingers and smell, it has this incredibly vibrant, fresh, and green smelling lemon to it. Our whiskey pineapple went for 1 hour at 50 degrees Celsius. I cooled it down completely, and now we're going to strain it off into my pour over coffee filter here. Pineapple for our cocktail. Let's bottle up our brown sugar and pineapple infused rye whiskey. Oh yeah, it's got that rye spice to it, but it smells like rotten pineapple in a good way. So it's that funky aromatic smell that pineapples start to get right when they start to ferment and go bad. So before we make a cocktail, let's give it a taste. Just a little taste, you don't need to get too sloppy before we make a cocktail. It smells amazing. It's also got some viscosity to it. It's gotten a little thicker from the brown sugar. That almost doesn't need anything else. Just drink that on its own. Oh yeah, that's gonna make a fabulous smash. Let's start with the lemons. Cut in half here, and then you get about 3 small wedges out of it. I like that. All right, so we're gonna take our 3 lemon wedges and drop them down in. Next we have our lemon balm. I'm gonna take 4 large leaves off. And 4. So we're gonna drop 2 pieces of our sous vide pineapple in there, and our muddler. Give it a good smash. Really open up all of those beautiful oils in the peel and your lemon balm. So typically, it's 2 ounces of whiskey with a little bit of simple syrup. I'm going to forego the simple syrup because we don't need it. It's all in here already. I'm going to go 3 ounces, or 75 mils, of our rye that was infused with pineapple and brown sugar. Next, our ice. Now give it a nice hard shake and smile like you want to be here. Give it a smack. Pop this off. Got my nice double rocks glass here from Libby. Some fresh ice. And we're going to double strain with my Hawthorne strainer. Now for the garnish, I'm going to take a nice lemon wheel, drop that in. I'm going to take some of my lemon balm here, give it a smack. Oh yeah. Drop that in there as well, curled around the side. There we are, a pineapple lemon balm whiskey smash. And now for our taste test. Okay, first off, the smell. The lemon balm has an incredibly strong scent to it. So that's popping up first, but it also has this like lemony, grassy scent to it. Then you get the whiskey, that rye, that spice is coming through. And at the very end, you get that rotten pineapple. Cheers. That, yes, bright, refreshing, lemony, citrusy, that molasses flavor from the brown sugar in our sous vide bag, and that like dark molasses flavor from the rye. And that is a perfect tropical inspired summer cocktail. Now if you want to check out the tasting video I did, click right there. You want to check out some of my cooking videos? Click up here. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.